Big up, mommy. See what you do today?
I am doing a banana bread.
Banana bread.
Family favorite.
Bread. Bread.
Family favorite. First of all, we are going to crush the banana. This is 5 bananas in here, very large bananas.
Banana.
You can use 6 if it's small, but this is 5 large ones. So we go ahead and we're gonna crush.
Yeah, man, banana crusher now, you know?
I love this little gadget
yeah,
here.
Man, crush it, man, crush it.
I love this gadget because it does things very, very quickly.
China, crush up the banana. Banana crushings are
You can use the well-ripe ones, but these weren't that ripe, but they can do.
Yeah, man, I'm perfect, man. But don't use the turn banana still, you know?
No, you have to use the ripe
Make sure
ones.
it's soft. Up.
So I like a little lump in my banana.
Sure, man, because it gives that nice texture.
Because it give it a nice flavor and you taste it crunchy. So
Nice texture.
put this aside.
Oh, them don't want it's a white egg, so I'm to the brown egg.
I'm using white egg. I eat the brown egg. So here we go now. We're going to crush the eggs one at a time. Put it in here. This is 6 eggs.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Right.
Yeah, more video coming up because Frost Alex are there everywhere.
Yep. And this is the eggs.
Yeah, then a bread.
Put this aside. 1 cup of brown sugar. Add it to here. 1/2 cup of white sugar. If you want to use 2 cups, be my guest. And to this now, I'm going to use this mixer and mix it in a little. That's good.
Mix them up, you know?
And to this, we're going to add this. See? 2, 4, 6 eggs. Okay?
6.
We're just going to add them. Because it's quick mixing. And then, this is 6 ounces of butter.
6
Melted,
ounces of butter.
melted butter.
Okay.
Okay.
All up a fat, man.
Not really.
Banana bread for oil, you know, with a little grease, you know? To give that good texture, that good, you know, that moistness. Mix it up, mama. Don't
Okay.
think so.
Here we go.
Baker.
And to this, we're going to add,
With a vanilla.
yes, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I like a little
Vanilla.
spice.
Vanilla flavor, nice, man.
1 tablespoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And here we have, in this bowl, we have 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of white flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's optional.
Can't left out the nutmeg.
Yeah.
And don't salt.
These are my buttered pans. I use them and buttered it. These are good pan. You don't have to put flour in them. They really burn things, okay? And over here, we're going to mix this like this. Incorporate everything together. Put this aside. I'm going to use my whisk and I'm going to whisk everything in. Okay? You don't have to mix this too much.
Look nice though.
Yes.
You can eat right, alright.
Tastes good already.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, man, the thing up, man.
Okay, so this is my mixture right here. If you want to add some nuts, go
Remember,
ahead.
butter the pan. And if you
Alright.
want to add some nuts, add it.
You can add some nuts to this. Okay, so this is my mixture here. So I'm gonna pour it in the pan.
Let's say preheat the oven.
Yeah, preheat it on 350 degrees.
350 degrees.
So it's getting there.
Preheat.
And then we're going to pour mixture in pan.
Simple little mixture, but so nice and amazing when it comes out. So fluffy. Pour it in. Some might have drop on the side.
I'll wipe it off. It's okay.
Banana bread.
So this is Mommy C's banana bread with whole wheat flour and a cup. Get everything out of the pan. Don't leave anything.
Chew on everything. Every maker make a mucker. Every maker make a mucker.
Okay, so here we
You
go.
got to use everything. You know?
We wipe this off. Clean up our pans.
How much minutes do I have to stay in the oven?
About an hour.
It's going to be like an hour in the
About
oven.
an hour, yes. And at 355.
So 355 degrees, 1 hour. You will have an amazing product.
And
amazing
until you
creation
you can check it within 50 minutes.
True.
And then
See
if a
nice.
skewer put in there and it comes up and it comes out clean, then it's baked. But you can give it 50 minutes.
50 to an hour. So 50 minutes to an hour, it will be completed.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Should put some more in this.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
So you see, guys.
Bread is in the oven for 1 hour, so I'm going to take and try it. See, it's clean, the skewer is clean.
Yeah.
So we are going to let it rest for 15 minutes or so.
This is the finished product.
Then we are going to
See?
put them in the,
Yum, yum, yum. Oh, look how beautiful.
let it cool
brown.
15 minutes and then we put it on a cooling rack.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Smells good too. This is the finished product of the banana bread.